Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we will show you how to publish product to Shopify. Connect to Shopify. You need to create a Shopify store and connect with your JetPrint account. You can check out our previous tutorial on how to connect with Shopify and follow the step-by-step instructions to complete this process easily. Publish products to Shopify. Switch to the Shopify store where you want to publish the product in JetPrint, or open the JetPrint app in Shopify on the product details page. Click Design to customize your products. The product attributes are selected by default. If you only want to choose a specific attribute, you can click Product in the top left corner of the mockup generator to make your selection. Next, you can start design your product. For design instructions, please refer to the mockup generator guide. Once you finish design, click Save in the top right corner to go to the Product Information Editing page. The Product Information Editing page is divided into 4 sections. First, Mockups. Hover over the image on the left and click Change to switch your title image. You can also change the title image directly in your Shopify admin. Second, Description. Set your product title, product text, and complete the product description. Scroll to the bottom to choose whether to display the size chart and switch between size measurement units. All of this content can be added or removed as needed. Third, Add-on. View the branded accessories you've added. You can delete any of the brand accessories directly on the page instead of going back into the mockup generator to set up. For instructions on design brand accessories, please refer to our published tutorial. Fourth, Pricing. You can set different prices for different variants. If you offer free shipping to your customers, you will need to include the shipping cost to the target market for the product. You can set the vendor as either yourself or JetPrint. Once all the product information is correct, click Publish to add product to your store. If you choose Hide in Store, the product will not be published to your store. You can check the status of all your products on the My Products page in JetPrint. Successfully published products can be found on the product page in your Shopify admin. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for your watching.